Thanks for staying with TVC News. Let's head to Delta State, where Governor Ikenna Amaechi has sworn in a new Chief Judge, Justice Teresa Obiajulu Diaye, in acting capacity due to the ongoing strike by Parliamentary Staff Association of Nigeria, disrupting the State House of Assembly from sitting to confirm her nomination. Governor Amaechi, during swearing-in ceremony, urged her to discharge her duty with fairness, equity, and justice to everyone. The new acting chief judge, while appreciating everyone who contributed to her climbing to this height in her career, pledged to keep to her oath of office. And TVC News correspondent Ikenna Amaechi joins me now for more on this. Ikenna, what more can you tell us about this swearing-in, especially because it is in acting capacity? Talk to us more on this.
All right, Precious, good afternoon. The swearing-in of the Chief Judge could have been a substantive one, but for the ongoing nationwide strike of the Parliamentary Staff Association of Nigeria, and of course, the Assembly is supposed to sit and confirm her nomination before the governor will swear her in. But in order to actually not have a vacuum in governance, the retired CJ, who has been retired because of his age, and of course he retired on the 24th. They had to have someone to replace him immediately, and so the governor had to swear her in today in acting capacity, pending when the strike will be called off for her to be confirmed by the State House of Assembly. And she is actually a thoroughbred from her rich resume that was presented to us. She actually served in the capacity of the judicial head of a panel of inquiry into a recent dispute between two communities in Okpe, and of course she did a very good job there. And of course the governor is hoping that she will actually take that her rich resume to fore in actually administering justice in the states.
The governor did also talk about autonomy for the judiciary some days ago, I think about 6 days ago, where he said that he was willing to go with the demands of Junsun for autonomy. Was anything said about that, especially because other states have not heeded to that demand of Junsun?
Well, for the state governor, he actually has assented to that law. Is actually active now, and what was actually delaying it in the state is actually the committee to be set up by the CJ, and the outgoing CJ actually set up the two committee before he left, and so the law is actually in place right now. Is in place. The governor has actually signed it into law, and with the setting up of this judiciary council, they can now give the money to the judicial arm of government. So the judiciary now is autonomy. Autonomous capacity in Delta State right now. So hoping that other states will comply for the judiciary staff union to actually call off their strike nationwide, because they are still on strike here because of the other states that have not actually heeded to it.
I guess that would give the new chief judge a great footing to begin. Ikenna Amaechi, thanks for bringing us update on this.